Hey guys, we decided to climb the mountain in the back of our home, and we're being smart about it because we really don't know the back part, so we're tagging ourselves with some tape so this way we can come out of it. My daughter just went up to explore. How is it up there? Look at this huge rock. It's got ferns growing on it. It's so beautiful up here. Plus, because it's fall now, the clearing is so much better. Otherwise, you wouldn't even be able to walk through here with all the stuff growing. But it gives us a chance to explore another section where we are. I forgot to bring my my pole, so we took one of my mother-in-law's. Whoop. Did you hear that? Was that like a shot? They're not supposed to be shooting.
Do you think people care? Oh, look, this is an oak tree.
It is an oak tree. See, it's the season has started for hunting, which we do not believe in. But it's only bow and arrow, and we just heard a gun. So that's not a good thing. We don't want to go too far up if we don't know the area, because you never know who's out there hunting. So we might just go back down and maybe just hit the trail for today, because, you know, if they're shooting with a gun or a rifle when they're not supposed to, what does that tell you? It tells you beautiful. But these are all young, okay? These are all thanks to squirrels. I wonder what that tree is giving. I see something growing on it.
Where?
Right over there. Over there, look, on the stump. Or is that leaves? See the stump? What's growing there?
Hey, stay here so that I know where to go.
Well, I'll put ribbon. Is that a leaf? Or is that mushroom growing?
Leaves.
Hey?
Leaves.
We're hoping to find some more oysters, but I guess we shouldn't be greedy, eh? There's leaves at the neck?
Yeah.
Not on the top.
Yeah, right there. Leaves.
Hey?
Leaves.
It's just leaves? Yeah, I think we're going to climb back down. We're just going to follow our ribbon and just go along the trail. And maybe if we're lucky, aren't they pretty? Well, after you eat oysters and all that stuff, puffballs are nothing, eh? Okay, you want to go around the rock,
Well,
or?
yeah, we have to get our ribbon over there.
Oh, look at the okay, you go that way. That looks like okay, last day up here. Not sure if we're gonna find anything. Mushroom wise, we found beautiful oyster mushrooms yesterday. If we find some more today, we will be very happy. But not sure if we will. But we want to take in another small hike. We're going the other way. And but look at this, guys, how beautiful. All the trees are changing. You could actually walk into the woods. Chi-Chi's got his little coat on. Oh, he's doing a cack. JJ, doing a khaki. Oh, everybody's looking at you, JJ. So you could you could actually look into the woods. So if we see any dead trees, fallen trees, maybe if we're lucky, we'll find some more oysters. Yes, Eric?
Let me climb up there and see.
Sure.
Here, hold on. This belongs to the municipality. So
Does it?
this land.
Erica's just gonna go take a quick look and see if anything's up there. But like I said, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to find anything, but just the walk itself. JJ, what you doing? Here's my little sniffer. JJ. I put on his sweater. I mean, it's not warm. It's about 8 degrees right now. It's not cold either. What are you trying to do? But yesterday, he got so many leaves and twigs stuck in his coat. And I'm talking his natural coat, not his coat that we put on him. You should have brought your poles, Erica. Anything? Does it look pretty up there? Yeah, we should go when we don't have Chi-Chi. Very beautiful.
There's a huge rock
In the middle?
in there, yeah.
Yeah. What's good is that we can see better now with the leaves that came down. So if there is a fallen tree, we might be able to spot if there's any mushrooms on it. Well, we're hoping. If not, at least we get a walk out of it. But very beautiful. It's a safe place to be because earlier, I'm not sure if the camera caught it because it turned off on me, but hunting season has started. We do not approve. Being vegan, we don't approve. But it has started. Pardon?
Can you see up here? Hold them.
Yeah. Be careful going up. JJ. They're allowed to use bow and arrow. But we heard guns when we were up in the top. So we decided to turn around and not continue that. Go sideways. Be careful. I'm telling you, we should always bring our poles with us. Our walking poles. Looks like could be an oyster. What's growing there?
No,
What is it?
it's turkey tail.
Eh?
Turkey tail.
Those are turkey tails? Those big ones near the side there?
Right there, yeah.
How about on the other side? Look to your left on the tree.
Yeah, turkey tail. All turkey tail.
Yeah? Okay. Come up. Be careful. So that's the plus, is that because it is the fall and the leaves are starting to come down, we're able to see into the woods. So if we see any mushrooms on trees, it's going to be easier. There's a bus. Did I just say there's a bus? There's a car. Okay. Do. I should get my little brain in place here. Watch out, Erica. You see, isn't it good we put on a sweater? Okay. There we go. I should be bringing my bike up. My daughter got me beautiful new bike. No, mine's brand new and hers is finished, so we have to get a bike for her. Those are very well done Razulas. Huge. But yeah, we're able to see more of the mushrooms now if there is any. But not the mushrooms that we're accustomed to seeing on the ground. Especially if there's any chanterelles left. The last of the chanterelles are a little hard to find right now because the leaves are yellow, the chanterelles are yellow. Now this year, I don't even know what this is. You see, I see so many of these, but I don't know what they are. I should take one just to check it out. And this way, next time, I'll know. Do a little study on this. Winter is coming, so things are dying back. The evergreens will always be evergreen. We can pick up some more flowers for tea. Yeah?
I'm holding them. I'm gonna go up here.
Well, hold on, Erica. This is good to make tea. These are red clovers. They make a delicious tea. I have my bag here if I could open it up. Can you open this bag for me? Okay. So yeah, the evergreen will stay green, but everything else is dying back. There's less and less mushrooms. There are a couple of winter mushrooms, but some I don't know of, and I'm not sure how much winter mushrooms are up in this area. So I am going to continue our little hike. I did want to stop and say thank you guys for coming with us. I know it wasn't one of the most exciting video. I thought maybe we would be able to see more than what we did. But anyhow, I did want to say thank you guys for following me. And I know this is a new channel. There's not that many of you that come here. But the ones that do come by, I really appreciate it. So I'm going to say thank you. I love you. Go out when you can. Enjoy as much of nature as you can, because this is really what we live for. But yeah, I just wanted to say I love you guys. And for the ones that do come and watch me explore a little, get to see something new, I say thank you. Usually we can't even come down here because there's so much greenery that holds us back. Oh, look at those mushrooms, or leaves. What are those? Leaves?
That's dot over there.
Where? Where?
Hold it down.
I'll go. Just tell me where.
Right there.
On the floor?
Yep. Looks like maybe coral or... Hold on, baby. See? Or is it
Leaves. It's just leaves. There is a couple of those light mushrooms, but I don't know if they're edible or not. Today we actually found, I'm going to put a picture for you guys, we actually found a very rare mushroom. What's it called, Erica?
Calvella crispa.
Calvella?
Calvella crispa.
Calvella crispa. And it looks almost like a little saddle. But it was interesting because we never saw a mushroom like that. Anyhow, I've been trying to say thank you guys. And I never get to finish. But I do want to thank each and every one of you that do take the time to come and check my video out, no matter how silly they are, no matter how not important it is. Sometimes it's just a walk. But I do want to say thank you, and I love you all. And if I see something good, I'll throw it into this video. And if not, I'm going to say have a good one. Go out, enjoy nature. But I want to say I love you guys. Until the next video. Oh, coral. Okay, you see? I did find something. And some more of those mushrooms. Look at the beautiful coral. See? We did end up finding something. Okay, I have to be careful because this one breaks. So I'm going to say I love you guys. Until the next video. I'll see you then.